Alright, so Ricky Repairs back at again. We have our 2003 Ford Ranger 3.0 6-cylinder. Alright, so let's go to replace the alternator. So I did have a warning light of the battery and the dashboard. Unfortunately, yeah, it went out. Luckily we made it back. Well, we didn't make it. We had to get towed less than 5 miles. So we almost made it. But the alternator right here. Let's go ahead and remove it. First thing you want to do is remove this air intake right here. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the flathead screwdriver. Size 8, this one. Or this one right here. Alright, let's go ahead and remove those. Go ahead and remove this little hose right here. Let's go to pull this out. Move that to the side. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, next thing you want to do is remove the belt, which is that one right there, the tensioner. That one is a size 15 millimeter. Alright, let's go ahead and remove that. And remove the belt to the side. So it's a size 15 millimeter. Alright, just gonna remove the bolts for the alternator now. Last one. Alright, so the last thing you want to do is remove the electrical connections. Those two little plugs right there, that one and that one. After that, you have to remove this nut right here. Alright, just gonna pry this slowly. Just gonna get to the big one first. Just gonna move it to the side. Same thing with the small one. Right here, you want to get that one. Just gonna pry it out. Alright, I'm just gonna pull out the alternator. Hopefully we have more space right here to disconnect the electrical connections. So you want to pry it out slowly, you don't want to break that. Alright, so there you have it. As you can see, and the old alternator, the little plastic broke off. No problem. We're replacing it anyways. So you could remove it from once it's there. Just go ahead and pry slowly. Alright, just gonna remove this bolt right here. It should be a 10 millimeter. Just gonna remove that. Just gonna remove that nut by hand. Let's go pull it out. Alright, so there you have it. So you could remove it once it's in here, but let's go ahead and remove it. Just gonna get the new one back in. Alright, so before you install the new one, go ahead and make sure all the connections are the same. As you can see, everything is the same. Alright, just gonna reinstall the new one. Alright, just gonna get the new one back in. Alright, let's go ahead and align it. Alright, just gonna put the bolts back in. So they're all the same size. Doesn't matter, right? Back in. It's all the same length. First thing you want to do is hand tighten it. After that, go ahead and tighten it with your ratchet. Alright, so just give it a little tug. That should be enough. Let's get the last one. Alright, that should be enough. It's going to connect our electrical connections right here. Just going to connect this one first. 10mm. After that, tighten it with your ratchet or your wrench. Alright, so after you tighten it with your wrench or your ratchet, just going to cover it up. Alright, so there you have it. All you have to do is connect this. Two connections right here. Make sure they click in there. Alright, so there you have it. You also want to replace the belt. Just go ahead and follow the diagram. Take a picture of it. Now you can follow this diagram right here. So you see 2.3, 4 cylinder, 3.0, 6 cylinder, 4.0, 6 cylinder. Alright, just go ahead and remove this old belt. Alright, just go ahead and use the diagram. After that, just go ahead and the tensioner, same thing. Just gonna put the belt back in. Make sure all the groove is in. After that, just gonna pull out a wrench. Alright, so that should be it. Last thing to do is put back our air intake right there. Alright, just go ahead and do that now. Alright, so the alternator did drain our battery. So I'll get a jump start right now. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.